Good afternoon. My name is Mike, and this video will be looking at binomial. So, binomial is one of the greatest. It's one of those topics in mathematics that is kind of intimidating, but I think binomial, just the way it sounds, okay. Binomial means two, okay. So don't be intimidated, but do not be intimidated by just hearing the word binomial, okay. So in this video I just want to share a simple and quick revision about what is a binomial expression. So a binomial expression, it simply means it is an expression where we have first expression multiplied by the second expression. Okay, so now let's see some of the examples that you can have where the binomial is concerned, and how you can go about solving the binomials, okay. I'm not going into the details of the binomial theorem, okay. So I'm just talking about some of the basics and the fundamentals of algebraic expression, but also under this algebraic expression I'm also talking about the binomial expression. So it's nothing that is very tough or difficult. So just kind of follow me as I walk you through in binomial. Okay, so that's a binomial. Now a binomial, actually, this is the one which has got x plus 1, open bracket x plus 1, close bracket x plus 2. So the meaning of this is that we are now dealing with multiplication of algebraic expression, okay. Now the fact that this is a single expression and this is the other single expression, and the fact that we are multiplying these two expressions, okay, and that gives us a binomial, okay. So when you have two algebraic expression and then you are multiplying them, then you are dealing with what we call a binomial. But if you add more than two, then that's kind of not a binomial, but it becomes a polynomial. Okay, so now considering this example, let's see how we can express this binomial by using the method of expansion, okay. So we are going to expand this multiplied by this, okay. Expand. So what this means is that x plus 1, then x plus 2, then we are going to factor out each of the term in this expression. We say x outside, and then multiply with the second expression, okay. Now in the first expression we have remaining with the 1, so this one is a positive, so you say plus 1, you open the bracket, and then you also bring this down, x plus 2. And then what remains over there is, the only thing that you're supposed to do is now to start now expanding the brackets, okay. For each value of x, then it should actually multiply each and every single entity in that bracket, okay. So this is going to be this by this is going to be x squared plus 2x. I'm done with this bracket. Now I'm moving over to the next bracket. So it's going to be positive 1 times x. This is just going to give me x, and then plus 2. Now you can see that I'm still adding these terms, okay, or algebraic expressions, okay. So this is power x, and it doesn't have any kind of similarity, or rather another component expression which is similar to x to the power 2. So if that is the case, I don't have any of that x to the power 2, then I'm gonna keep this just alone, and then now you can see that this is 2x and this is x, okay. So I can also get this x plus x is 2x plus x, you are just going to get 3x plus 2. Now you should ask yourself otherwise, can we actually add this plus this? No, because this is raised to the power 2 and this is not raised to any power, so this is just raised to that power, and then this doesn't have actually any expression or algebraic letter. Okay, so if that is the case, then what you're supposed to do is you end there. Okay, this is just an expression. Okay, so that's how you go about expanding a binomial. Okay, so a binomial is simply nothing but just two algebraic expressions that we are multiplying together. Okay, just expounding, or rather each first value in the first expression is multiplying throughout every value in the second expression. So that's what the binomial is all about. Okay, so that was about the binomial. So I'm sure you can actually keep on practicing this binomial. You can check out in the past paper ECZ, so you can kind of be able to apply the skills that you have learned. Maybe you can actually solve this. So I can have another binomial whereby I'm saying x per, okay, I can have x minus 2, then open bracket, x minus 3. Okay, so what I want you to do is, if you can solve what I've just solved right over there, you can also do the same just by following what I've done, and just expanding the brackets and see what answer you're going to get. So that's a binomial. So that's all you needed to do. And that's the end of this session about the binomial. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.